Andiyan ka pala. Abangers ka talaga, no? Ng mga chismis. Pero sige, pagbibigyan ko yung cravings mo. Chismis. So, share ko lang, no? Someone asked me, Besh, if you would describe my personality, especially my attitude, how would you describe it? Sabi ko, I would say it's colorful. Nakamaze siya. Nice! Thank you! Sa isip-isip ko, I'm not yet done. Tapos follow-up question siya. Colorful as in just like the 7-Eleven signage? Sabi ko, no. Follow-up question again. Colorful as in just like the rainbow color? Sabi ko, no. Eh, anong colorful? Sabi niya. Sabi ko, colorful. Eto. As simply as that. Colorful, right? Asa ka.